So who's got a favorite YouTuber? I have lots. I have favorite planners. I have favorite bullet journalers. I have favorite painters, crocheters, people who do videos about stuff you can make with your Cricut, gardeners, cooking channels, canning channels, you name it. I probably have a favorite. I even like PewDiePie. So like there's favorites, and then there's like, you know, the top 10. So when one of your top 10 favorites gets a collab deal with a company that you love to make a product that you love, it is just like awesome. It is awesome sauce. So you guys have seen me post about this on Instagram at least twice by now. The day it came out and the day it got to my house. So we're now going to get to play with it. This is the limited edition set of Acrylographs from Amanda Rach. Oh dear, the glare. The glare, oh my. Okay, I'm going to have to hold it so that it doesn't glare. This is the tin box that it comes in. Yes, it is a yellowish color. Yes, I am keeping it. Because she designed it, it's staying. She doodled every single thing that is on here because that's what she is famous for. It's her doodly art, and it is awesome, and her bullet journaling and her stationery addiction, and she is really cool. And if you don't know who she is, you should go check her out. Inside this really, really awesome limited edition tin box is a limited edition set of Acrylographs. How long it's been since I had to open a tin box? It's like a 4-year-old trying to figure out how to open a lunchbox. It comes inside with instructions and tips for how to use them, and a note from Amanda. And here are the Acrylographs, and these are gorgeous. Now my first question is, do we get the names? We do. We get the names. Okay, this is like a new thing for them, and I love it. This is not the usual foam. This is cardboard, and this will come out. So you can use the tin for whatever you would like. It does come with, if I can get them, because anyway, you guys have seen me opening up Acrylographs. It comes with the extra nibs in the plastic bag. They just wanted to run away. I'm gonna put them over there. So this is them, and they are so pretty. So pretty. Very, very pretty. So she worked on this for a while. She picked out colors that she didn't have, that she wanted, that she feels like she uses a lot, or would like to use a lot. So we're going to find a blank page in this little notebook, which is not easy to do. There we go. And we're going to swatch them, which is kind of silly because we're going to do a whole video swatching all of my Acrylographs, but I'm too excited not to swatch these, so okay. Now, this one is called Mellow Tangerine. No, because I didn't want to open them. Like, I've seen them online, but I hadn't opened them. This is the only outer packaging they come in, is this bag. Like, you don't have to peel plastic or anything really annoying like that, which is great. Much prefer that. Yeah, I really should have activated these first. Alright, so this one is called Mellow Tangerine. I can't write worth a darn, as we all know, so I'm just going to draw some lines, and that is Mellow Tangerine. Alright, I'm now going to cut the video here. I'm going to shake and activate all of these, and then we will come back and look at the colors, because it's going to bore you to death if I have to do it for each one. I'll be right back. Okay, I have replaced our now paint splattered page. It's really, like, there's no way I'm getting through all those Acrylographs with that on there. Alright, we will start back at the beginning. The only one I did not shake and activate is the white one, because it's the white one, and you guys have seen it before, and I have like a whole drawer full of white ones. Alright, so this is the Mellow Tangerine. It's a very nice light orange. This one is Pastel Sun. I know, it's yellow, I know, but it's part of the set, so it's staying. This is Pink Quartz. That's really pretty. This is Lilac Fields. That is a fantastic color of purple. This one is called rice paper, and this one activated and I didn't see it because it is so light. It is like very, very light. Like, I don't even know if it's gonna show up. It's not showing up for me, but I have all the lights in my face and you guys don't, so I don't know. Like, there's the cap, maybe that will help. Not sure. Sometimes it will focus. There we go. Alright, I think you guys were able to figure it out, hopefully. If not, just go on Archer Knowledge's website and you can check them out. Go on Amanda's YouTube channel, you can check them out. Alright, this one is called Vintage Denim. And that is just a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Like, denim is really the only color you can use to describe that. It's pretty. And now we've got rustic brown. Which kind of looks like a dirt. Oh, it looks like clay, which is the kind of dirt we have here, which is why I have to spend so much time in my garden. Alright, now these next two, I'm going to tell you, if you really like the sage line from Happy Planner, these two really go well with that. So this one is called Stormy Seafoam. Does that not look like it came out of the Sage sticker book? And this one is called Faded Pear. Like, seriously, those go perfect with it. So if you are a Sage Happy Planner addict, you might want to go grab this. I mean, as long as you like the rest of the colors, to get it for 2 markers is kind of, let's face it, nuts. But if you like them all and also happen to love Sage, this is really a good set for you. This is, like I said, it's limited edition, so once they run out, I do not believe that they will be restocking. That's usually how the limited edition stuff works. It's $40 plus shipping, and you can't use a discount on it. So it's pricey. For me, it was worth it because I am a fan. For you guys, it might not be. So it's up to you. I just like to show you what I get and what I'm excited about and happy about, and you're going to be seeing it in videos. So that's why it's here. But this really is just amazing, and congratulations to Amanda for this really awesome deal and this awesome box. Yeah, it's yellow. Okay. She drew all of that. That's cool. Like, I watch her draw things all the time. I watched her draw stuff this afternoon. Live on Twitch. But yeah, this is just really cool. Like, this is perfect fan merch, to be perfectly honest with you. Here are the swatches again, in case you want to see them one more time. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.